Hi everyone, I am Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, our lesson is repeated roots of quadratic equations. Okay, what does it mean by this? When we say repeated root, this is a root that appears twice. In other words, both roots of the quadratic equation are the same. Okay, we already studied solving quadratic equations in our previous episode. Okay, example. We have here x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. If we are going to solve this, first is we have to find the factors of this trinomial. And if we will factor this out, it would be x minus 3 times x minus 1. And this is equal to 0. So it means the solutions here are x is 3 or 1. So we have two solutions. Okay, how about here? X squared minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Factor this out, we will get x minus 3 times x minus 3. And this is equal to 0. So it means solutions are x is 3 or 3. Okay, in here, we have the same solutions. This is an example of repeated root because the root here appears twice. Okay, some quadratic equations have two solutions. Some have the same solutions, or this is what we call repeated root. Okay, what's the condition for a repeated root? A quadratic equation has a repeated root when it can be written as a perfect square. Okay, example. X squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, if we are going to solve this quadratic equation here, let's check this trinomial x squared minus 2x plus 1. Let's find out if this is a perfect square trinomial. Because if this is perfect square trinomial, then we can write as a perfect square. Okay, since the coefficient of x squared is 1, okay, this negative 2 divided by 2 squared, it should be equal to this number. So negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. And negative 1 squared is positive 1. So it means this is a perfect square trinomial. So we can write as perfect square. So if we are going to factor this out, it would be x minus 1 squared. Okay, this expression means, or this expression is a repeated expression. So it means this has repeated root. Okay, what about here? X squared minus 4x plus 4 is 0. Let's find out if this is a perfect square trinomial. Coefficient of x squared is 1. So negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. And if we will square, then it's positive 4. So this is a perfect square trinomial. So if we're going to factor out, it's a perfect square. And that is x minus 2. So x minus 2 squared. So this expression is repeated. X minus 2 times x minus 2. So it means it has repeated root. Okay, now let's try this concept check question. Which of the following quadratic equations doesn't have a repeated root? Take a look at this first equation. X minus 5 squared is equal to 1. So this is obviously has a repeated root. So this is not the answer we're looking for. Okay, let's jump to number 3 first. We'll go back to number 2 later. X squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, this trinomial is a perfect square trinomial. If we're going to factor this out, it would be x plus 2 squared. So it means it has repeated root. Okay, what about here? 3 times x plus 2 squared. And this is equal to 0. Okay, this expression here, this is a constant multiple of a perfect square. So it means This is also, or it has also repeated root. Okay, let's go to number 2. 2x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have 2x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. If we will move 1 on the other side, we have here 2x squared is equal to negative 1. We divide this 1 both sides by 2, then we have here x squared is negative 1 half. Okay, in here, a number squared cannot be negative. So it means this quadratic equation here doesn't have a solution. Or it means this is the answer we're looking for. Okay, take note or remember I mentioned a while ago that, or I mentioned in our previous episode that quadratic equation can have two solutions, one solution, or it has no solution. So in this case, this quadratic equation doesn't have solution. Okay, now let's answer this simple questions. The first one is, if the quadratic equation x squared plus ax plus 25 is equal to 0 has a repeated root, we're going to find the positive value of a. Okay, as mentioned here, this quadratic equation, x squared plus ax plus 25 is equal to 0, has a repeated root. In other words, this trinomial here is a perfect square trinomial. So, to find the positive value of a, this is our middle number a. Divide this 1 by 2 squared. It must be equal to 25. So, a squared over 4 is 25. So, if we are going to multiply both sides here by 4, so a squared is 25 times 4, this is 100. So, it means a here can be positive or negative 10. But since we are looking for the positive value of a, then it means positive 10. Okay, what about for this another problem? Okay, according to this, if the quadratic equation x plus 3a times x plus a minus 6 is 0 has a repeated root at x is equal to b, let's find the value of a minus b. Okay, we have this quadratic equation. And according to this, it has repeated root. So it means this is just the same as this one. Or in other words, these two expressions here are equal since it has repeated root. So x plus 3a is equal to x plus a minus 6. Okay, let's find the value of a. So move this on the other side, x minus x. A will be moved on the other side, plus 3a, and this is minus a. So this is equal to negative 6. This will be cancelled. So we have 2a is negative 6. So it means a here is negative 3. So a is negative 3. Okay, now, this expression is equal to this expression. Okay, to find the value of b here, we're just going to substitute this value of a in any of these expressions. So let's just get x plus 3a. So x plus 3, value of a is negative 3. So in here, this is x minus 9. And take note, this is squared. So this is equal to 0. So it means x here is positive 9. And this is our b, or the value of b. So a minus b, so we have negative 3 minus 9, then it means it's equal to negative 12.